Pretty Janet is our sign language interpreter. Tonight, Kenya is negotiating compensation with India's Adani Group following the cancellation of a multi-billion shilling agreement to construct power transmission lines and substations. The Public-Private Partnership Directorate has disclosed that Kenya could pay 5 billion shillings in compensation. And as KTN's Daniel Kariuki reports, this is not the only contract cancellation for PPP projects.
The government's decision to engage India's Adani Energy Solutions to build power transmission infrastructure before undertaking due diligence on the farm is now becoming a costly affair after it emerged that Kenya is set to pay a penalty for terminating its contract with the Kenya Electricity Transmission Company, KETRACO. In a new report, the Public-Private Partnership PPP Directorate said the termination of the Adani contract is now underway to settle the contentious contract cooperatively, adding that the outcome of the process would determine how much the state would pay. Adani was in 2023 awarded a contract to build 3 electricity transmission lines and substations through the Public-Private Partnership PPP model. The award was, however, cancelled in 2024 following a directive by President William Ruto citing the indictment of Adani executive in the US.
Immediately cancelled the ongoing procurement process for JKI expansion public-private partnership transaction, as well as the recently concluded KETRACO transmission in public partnership. Immediately commence the process of onboarding alternative partners because these are important projects.
Documents have shown that Kenya has not yet issued a formal notice of termination because it prefers the less expensive path of mutual separation. Despite the firm's credibility being questioned, there is speculation that the government could pay Adani upwards of 5 billion shillings in settlement. The report indicates that the move is because the termination action was initiated by a single party. The Adani Power Infrastructure project is among the 4 cancelled projects that the government is said to pay the contractors for contract termination. The PPP Directorate also disclosed that the government will pay 7.32 billion shillings to French firms that formed the Rift Valley Highway Consortium for the cancellation of the contract to build the Rironi-Mau Summit Dual Carriageway project. Daniel Kariuki, KTN.